Hey everyone, so today I want to make a short video on how to make a baby podcast. And the reason why I want to do it is not because I think it's cool, it's amazing, right? It's super cute, I love it. But I think that if you are into any business right now, I think the key is to be able to move fast and capitalize on hypes, right? That's sales, marketing, you need to be where the action is, right? And what's trending right now on TikTok is these baby podcast videos. And, you know, there are a lot of other things. They make like alien stalking or whatever. And it literally takes 5 minutes to do it. And I think it's a skill. If you own a business, if you work for a business, if you're delivering services to a business, this is really important to know because you can share it on social media. And it just, you know, something that's shareable beyond the basic text. And as you know, there are 3 ways you can get attention. One is by creating ads, which is costly but works well. Another is by doing cold outreach and reaching out. And another is by posting content. So it's a really important part of your sales and marketing. And even if it's just for fun, right? I sent a message to my brother-in-law yesterday using that because I was testing it out. So I want to share with you how do you do it. It's super easy. I'll show you step by step. It really takes, you use ChatGPT, you use Hedra, and we'll create something together. So follow me. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Carlo. I'm an AI consultant and I'm absolutely obsessed with everything that's AI. And let's go. So this is the end result, right? So what I did here is that I found a picture. I don't have a lot of pictures of myself of me alone. So I found a picture of us on our last trip in a great restaurant in Bangkok. And that was the only picture I found by myself. And then I said, please create a calm baby version of me. I added calm because I saw that it was working for other people. And so this is what it generated. Absolutely wonderful. I love it. It's me in a restaurant with the beard and no hair. Should have added a steak, but anyways. And then I said, all right, great. Place me in a podcast studio with headphones and a microphone. And then it produced this version. And so this depressed baby was really, I mean, it's on point, but it looked really depressed to me. So I asked it, can you make my eyes happier? The baby looks sad. And then it produced this picture, this one, which looks absolutely amazing. I love it. Anyways, I took this image, downloaded this image, and then went to Hedra. So if you don't know Hedra, let's open it together. That's the Hedra.com. So it's a content creation platform. And they just raised $32 million. Congrats. The only thing you need to do is upload a picture and some text, and we're going to do it together. But just so you know, this is the pricing. So it's fairly cheap if it's built yearly, even if it's built monthly. You can try for free, so you don't need to pay for any account just to try it out. I did this version. I'll show you the end result. We'll do it together. But you can do it for free. It's just a bit slower, but it works really well. You can have the basic version for $10 a month. And you'll have no watermark commercial use and voice cloning. And then you can have a $30 or $75 per month. And it's just about, you know, the credits that you're getting. So depending on how much, I mean, if you are in the professional tier, you probably don't need me to explain to you how it works. So that's the pricing of Hedra.com. And you can sign up with either Google or your mail. So you put your email and your password. And from there, you'll be here, right? So he's asking, the first thing is like, what do you want to create? A video or an image? You'll choose a video and you'll upload. So this is a really simple flow. What you want to do is add a start frame. So you just upload an image. And for me, that's the one. Right? That's the ChatGPT created image. We're going to upload it. And there is a reminder here, by the way, that you have to abide by the privacy policy, the terms of use and everything. And they're probably doing that because they don't want you to fake content with the faces of other people. So just be mindful of that. Create stuff that, you know, that are original, that you have permission to do so you don't get banned. Right. So you just have to upload the image, and then everything, the mouth, lip syncing and hand movement is going to be totally generated. And then you have an option. You have 3 options basically to generate a script, record an audio, or upload an audio. So if you have already a part of an audio from a video, you can, extract it using any software you like. But for this example, we can record an audio. So let's say I'm going to press here and record an audio. So this is probably the best way somebody can create a cute baby video. Just log in to hedra.com, create an account, upload a picture, record your voice, and you are done. All right, so let's hear it. This is probably the best way somebody can create a cute baby video. Just log in to hedra.com, create an account, upload a picture, record your voice, and you are done. Amazing. So as you see, like super low investment, but I just want to show you how it works so you can do it by yourself. And then you can say like it's in the prompt, let's say it's an excited baby explaining about the potential.com. Yeah. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. Preparing to generate your video. Please do not close the browser during this process. And it's queued, and I'll show you the result once it's done. And the video is done. Let's explore it together. I haven't seen it. I'm going to see it the first time with you. This is probably the best way somebody can create a cute baby video. Just log in to hedra.com, create an account, upload a picture, record your voice, and you are done. Yeah, it's amazing. I love it. I mean, if you want to get views, I mean, the thing about combining the baby, and you can do it with anything, with any character, because they're pretty good if you create, I mean, on Midjourney or whatever, you can create a nice looking whatever alien or human hybrid or whatever. It gets the attention. Remember, when you're posting on whatever socials you are, the thing is about posting, grabbing the attention of people, and it's just the oldest marketing trick in the book, right? So stay on top of the trends in the market, create something like this in 5 minutes, propose it to your clients, to your business, for your business, use it. And I think that a great thing that you can do is actually combine it with some serious topics, because it really brings out the lightness in that. So even if your company has it's a really, let's say, a non-sexy business, right? You can still do awesome things because it will bring out the fun into that business. So try it out. You can try for free. You can just remember, if you have your free account, the queue will take a few minutes to maybe 10 minutes even. So be patient, just leave your browser open. And once once you pass that queue, it's pretty fast. So happy building, and reach out if you have any question.